Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to use Airplay on Roku TV. Let's go. Open Settings. Apple Airplay Settings. Turn on Apple Airplay. Require code. Choose first time only. Open Network. About. Check your network. Your Apple device and your Roku TV must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Open Airplay, select your Roku device, or open screen mirroring. Select your Roku device. Enter Apple Airplay code. That's it. Now you know how to use Airplay on Roku TV. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.